U.S. Marines have taken a pivotal step in modern air defense by deploying the Marine Air Defense Integrated System, MADIS, for the first time in an operational setting in the Philippines. Carried out by the 3rd Littoral Anti-Air Battalion of the 3rd Marine Littoral Regiment, this deployment took place at Naval Station Leovo Gildo Gantioque during Exercise Balikatan 25 and signals a major advancement in the military's evolving response to drone threats. This deployment demonstrates that MADIS is no longer a conceptual platform, it is a fully matured, combat-ready system. Its introduction in a real-world training environment reflects the increasing urgency for agile, adaptable counter-drone solutions across the U.S. military. Unmanned aerial systems, UAS, have shifted from novelty to ubiquitous threat, used by state and non-state actors alike for surveillance, jamming, and attack roles. Small, fast, and hard to detect, these drones pose challenges that traditional air defense systems were never designed to handle. As a result, portable, modular systems like MADIS are now essential for defending troops and infrastructure in forward and contested zones. MADIS has been developed specifically for these scenarios. Built on the rugged Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, JLTV, chassis, the system is divided into 2 key variants. The MADIS Mk1 focuses on kinetic engagement. It features a 30mm chain gun and FIM-92 Stinger missiles, giving it the ability to shoot down aerial threats at various distances and altitudes. Paired with an electro-optical/infrared, EO/IR, sensor suite and a real-time command and control interface, the Mk1 offers rapid response and precise targeting in all operational conditions. The MADIS Mk2 variant complements the Mk1 by serving as its eyes and ears. Also mounted on a JLTV, it hosts a high-performance radar and a full-spectrum electronic warfare suite. This includes jammers that interfere with drone guidance systems and spoofers that can deceive or redirect incoming threats. The Mk2 collects and shares data across the defense network, ensuring full situational awareness and coordinated engagements. Together, the 2 platforms operate as a seamless unit, blending offensive and defensive technologies to detect, track, disable, or destroy drones. Their modular nature allows rapid repositioning and adaptation to shifting battlefield demands, an ideal match for the Marine Corps' focus on distributed maritime operations, DMO, and expeditionary advanced base operations, EABO. MADIS is purpose-built for the environments where Marine littoral regiments operate, dispersed, mobile, and frequently beyond the reach of conventional air cover. In these conditions, self-sustained air defense is crucial. The system ensures that Marines can establish forward bases and supply routes while maintaining a defensive shield against aerial incursions, including those by loitering munitions or commercial-grade quadcopters. The appearance of MADIS at Balikatan 25 underlines its readiness and relevance not only to the Marine Corps but to broader Indo-Pacific strategy. In a region marked by increasing drone activity and aerial surveillance, having a mobile, layered defense solution greatly enhances operational resilience. It also sends a strong message to adversaries that U.S. forces are evolving to counter emerging threats with precision and mobility. Other branches of the military are also ramping up counter-drone capabilities, experimenting with laser systems, drone interceptors, and even AI-powered tracking tools. Still, MADIS stands apart as a fully deployed, combat-tested system tailored for the demands of maneuver warfare. Its integration into live exercises proves that mobile air defense is no longer a futuristic concept, it's a battlefield reality. As drone warfare continues to expand, platforms like MADIS are poised to become a staple of U.S. force protection strategy. Their ability to move with frontline units and provide multi-layered defense ensures that America's expeditionary forces can operate securely, even deep inside contested zones.